Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a PDF renderer or viewer that I developed inside browser. It's a React.js application where you can select a PDF document and read this online without using any kind of third-party desktop software. You don't need to install any software. You can do this online by visiting or using this React application which runs statically in the browser. So no server-side dependencies are used. It's completely in the static. It is executed entirely in the browser. So this is actually the user interface of this application. Here you will select a PDF file that you want to read. You simply select the file and then the pages will load here. You will see it will display the first page and we have these rich controls out there. We can navigate to the next page or previous page. We have the set of controls. You can go to the second page. So, and we can even zoom out, zoom in. You can, all these controls are there. This is really important because if you want your text is small, then in those cases you can use these controls to zoom in, zoom out. So you can easily read the text in the PDF document. Then we also have the rotate functionality. If you want to rotate the page, you can click this button to rotate the page in anti-clockwise or clockwise direction. So this is actually the clocking. You can rotate the page as well. And then we have the control to actually view it in full screen. So if you want to actually make the editor in full screen, you can even do that as well. So click this button, escape, and then to exit the full screen mode. So this is actually a really good alternative to any desktop software that you use to actually view PDF documents such as Adobe Acrobat. So it's completely free. It works in the browser. It is coded entirely in React.js using open source packages. So we also have the settings where you can modify this resolution, DPI, and the color depth value as well. Click on save settings. So you can easily do that. And then we also have various themes out there. This is a dark theme I personally like. We also have the light theme as well. So if you are working in night, you can toggle in between different themes out there. This is a night theme, this is a dark theme. So this is the overall project, guys. If you are interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code of this project. Once you purchase it, you will be redirected to Google Drive where you will actually get the zip file which will actually contain this full directory structure, and each application is divided into multiple components. Here you will see it is coded inside TypeScript. Each component is having its own file right here, and let me show you the package.json file, which dependencies we have used for this building this application. So let me just open this package.json file, and as you can see here, we are using the latest version of React, which is 18.0 at the time of recording this video. So, and then for third-party dependencies, we are using PDF-lib. We are also using React PDF as well, which is, these are two PDF-related libraries of JavaScript. This is for specifically for React PDF. And for the user interface, we are using Tailwind CSS, which is a popular CSS framework. So if you are interested, guys, in this source code, you will get this full directory structure once you purchase it from Google Drive. So now to run this project, it's very easy. You come to the command line and simply execute the command npm run dev. So this will start the development server localhost 5173, and you will be able to run this application. And when it comes to deployment, if you want to deploy this application, you can simply run this build command. So there is a second command out there which is build. So this will build out all the assets. It will create a dist directory. If you do want to do that, let me just show you. npm run build. So it will build out everything into a dist folder, which you can directly deploy this if you are using any shared hosting, or if you are purchasing a domain name. If you want to deploy this, it's really easy. It will create on the left hand side. After this command finishes, it will create this dist directory, and you can see that the dist directory is created, and this is your minified code. So you can easily deploy this application as well. So Now let me show you some passive income that I'm earning through this tool here. So once you deploy this, you can easily rank this tool on Google, and then you can actually put advertisements to actually earn some passive income. So the user will come to your tool, they simply select the PDF document and they can easily read the PDF document. So some I have a website which is approved by Ezoic. Ezoic is a ad network here. You can see per day basis I'm earning this passive income right here through this tool, and also on AdSense as well. So I also have a domain approved on AdSense as well. So same, you can see that the passive income I'm earning. So this is a great potential project. You can directly purchase it, guys. The link is given in the description. So you will be able to use this project. It's a PDF renderer and viewer which works entirely in the browser. No server-side code is involved. It's a static website. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.